In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update MX records in GoDaddy. If you need to change where your email is handled for your domain, updating your MX records is an important step. MX records, or mail exchange records, tell the internet which mail servers should receive email for your domain. So if you're switching email providers or setting up a new mail service, this is where you'll make that change inside your GoDaddy account. To get started, open the GoDaddy website in your browser. Once the site loads, sign into your account if you haven't already. After you're logged in, go to your profile area. This is usually where you can access your account settings and all the services connected to your domains. From your profile, click on My Products. This section shows the products and services you currently manage through GoDaddy, including your domains. Take a moment here to find the domain you want to update, especially if you manage more than one. Next, click DNS for the domain you want to work on. This will take you to the DNS management area where all of your domain records are stored. In some cases, you may need to click DNS again to fully open the DNS settings page for that domain. So just follow the on-screen options until you're inside the DNS management section. Once you're under DNS records, look through the list until you locate the MX record. MX records are specifically used for directing email, so this is the section you'll want to focus on. When you find the correct MX record, click Edit. At this point, you can update the MX record details as needed. Be careful to enter the exact values provided by your email hosting provider, since even a small mistake can prevent email from being delivered correctly. It's also a good idea to double-check the priority and destination values before saving, because those settings affect how mail is routed. After you've made the update, click Save to apply the changes. Once saved, the new MX record will begin updating across the internet. Keep in mind that DNS changes may not take effect instantly, and it can sometimes take a little while for the update to fully propagate. And that's it. That's how to update MX records in GoDaddy. Just go to the GoDaddy website, open your profile, click My Products, access DNS, locate the MX record under DNS records, edit it, and save your changes.